Hello guys, today we are doing the character frequency counter exercise using Python. I've placed the link for where the question comes from on the description. So we are going to be solving this question using Python. So the question states, write a Python program to count the number of characters in a string. This tutorial is made for those that are complete beginners. So if you're advanced, this might not help you. So to solve this, we just need to notice a few things. So we are given a sample string, which is google.com. And we are also given how the output will look like. So this shows us one thing, and that is this looks like a dictionary. So that means that our result must be stored in a dictionary. So to solve this question, we can just build an input. So I'm just going to say text is equal to, I'm going to say input, and I'm going to say enter a string. So another thing we'll need is the dictionary where we are going to store the result. I'm going to say result is equal to, let's just make it an empty dictionary. So now we need to go through each and every character in our string in order to check if, in order to actually count how many G's are there, how many A's and all that stuff. So to do that, we'll just use a loop because a string in Python can be iterated over, meaning we can use the for loop to go through it. So we can say for character in our string text. So we now need to go through each and every character to check. So it's obvious that we have to add to our dictionary. So we do have a question. Okay, what if the character already exists within the dictionary? How do we check? So we do know that in dictionaries, all the keys are stored, or we can get all the keys through something called the keys function. So what we can do is we can check if a specific character is already in keys. So to do that, we can just have an if statement. We just say if character in, and then we write the name of our dictionary which is res dot keys. So if A, let's just say if A is already there, it's basically going to be, this is going to be true. So meaning once a character is added, keys is going to say that's true. We just need to increase it by 1. So what we can say is res square brackets character. The reason for this is because we see that our keys are basically the letters or the characters. And then we just say character is equal to, so just say plus equals to 1. So meaning we are adding or we are increasing the value stored with at a specific character by 1. But for all the other characters, we need to add them. So since we are going to go on a matching system, by matching system, I mean something like we want to match each and every character, or we are adding each and every character. We need to basically say we start counting from 1. So meaning the default value is 1. So to make it like that is just say res square brackets character. That's how we add things to our dictionary. And we'll just give it a default value of 1. And then obviously after that, we will need to print. So as a Python programmer, I'll just use else so that we can only print if nothing crashes or breaks our program. And then we'll just say res. So now we are going to try it out with google.com. And then it says enter a string. I'll just say google.com. Voila. If this tutorial was helpful to you and you'll want to see more of this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be sure to make more content like this. If you want me to also do Python tutorial for beginners, please leave it for me in the comments. If you would want me to do any task, please leave it in the comments. I'll go through them. Thank you.